this one been a crazy. The 3RR is the craziest one. Look, it's 3.63. That's 3% on the count. Another 3 and another. That's 9% in one day. Y'all could have passed the challenge just in one day of taking this strategy.
Y'all know I've been killing it this week. Yes, sir. Was good, baby. I get my pimp walk on. You see the new cane. Flashy ever. I've been pimping the market this week. 27%. Come on. 27%. Who you know gaining 27% on an account? That sound like year profit. Come on, baby. And y'all see the purple suit? Y'all bought me this nice suit this week. Nice. I've been running, but I've been stomping the market out. I had to throw in the 10s, baby. I'm smoother than ever. Looking like Gap from Saints Row. And now, what's up, man? Hey, if y'all been tuning in on the live, 27. I'm telling y'all, tuning in live, and you going, your account's gonna be blessed. Your girl's gonna be blessed. I swear I've been spanking the market like she on the corner for me, and she an all-star. This strategy is an all-star, baby. You gonna love her. She's like my favorite. I'm gonna keep it PG. But we gonna get into it. Let's go. Let's see the charts. Come on, baby.
Now let's get into it. Like how the title said, 27% in 3 days. Wait, that's 27. And then let's look at gold. Gold, 27, US 30, 11.9. We're going to round it about 38, 39%. So you can say 39%. But I know y'all like the bigger numbers. Let's go with 30. So if y'all just follow my exact strategy, look at it. So for the nearbys, it's 3 playbooks in my strategy. Man, on the 29th, 4 W's, 0 L's in this strategy. Man, we went 0-2, but that's the one we catch the 3RR for. And then Monday, it's 5:30 through 7. We just follow the trend and just enter. And look, the 30, this day was crazy. Well, both days was crazy. This one been a crazy. The 3RR is the craziest one. Look, it's 3.63. That's 3% on the count. Another 3 and another. That's 9% in one day. Y'all could have passed the challenge just in one day of taking this strategy. This day was just it was spanking hot. And we could go over the strategy. We gonna do no more talking. So from 5:30 to 7. Hold up. And yes, this is on a 1 minute time frame. This is on a 1 minute time frame. Look at this. That 3.7, that 3.8. These ones I'm catching. And I deleted it because it was too much on the chart. So as you can see, I usually pull out the fib. The fib is my best friend on this strategy. So fib, enter at the 50. Swap bang. Has 1. Pull out the fib on the retracement. Wow, bang, that's 2. Come on, it just keep happening and happening. And then I pull out the fib right here. We lose. Don't you gotta lose sometimes. I can't shoot. Curry. Alright, that's it. But I swear we lose. We win way more than we lose. Like we lose this one. Sometimes you just gotta lose. You gotta lose. And with the 3-1, I'm gonna show you the 3-1. Boom, boom, boom. This one loses right here. Okay, like I said, that 3 would have entered the 3-1 right here, and it loses. Fine. Most people don't even show y'all losses. I'm not gonna just BS y'all. Yes, it do lose, but it also wins. It wins big too. Like right here, waba 3.75. Waba 3.8. Ooh. I'm telling you, man. And then let's just look at gold. We ain't gonna look too much in gold. Y'all already know the stats. It ain't good like US 30, but sometimes I think gold could be better than 30. It's just sometimes you're gonna have better days than others. You know, some girl could treat you better this day, and then your next girl could treat you better the next day. Y'all feel me? So this week probably was just cold. The end of the week we didn't trade Friday because we was having a good week. It was fire, man. I'm telling you, I made up this strategy. I've been studying and studying on live, and now, well, bam, it's here. It's here. So the worst day we had was this, and this was break even, not even a negative. Break even day. This was a break even day. This is the only break even A we got. We ain't had no negative days. No negative day. Granted, you can see a negative day, but it's barely you'll see a negative day. Come on. We got 5 good days in a row and 1 bad day. And imagine, we just gonna keep taking stats. This is just 3 days. This is only the beginning. So, as y'all want to know the whole strategy, go look at it. I just want to show y'all the stats. I keep all my stats in the back pocket. So, like, comment, subscribe if you new. And we out of here.